How to install AVG Antivirus. Step 1. Open your browser and visit AVG's official website. Step 2. Once the home page opens, click on Free Download. Step 3. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Step 4. Select language. Step 5. In the Setup window, hover to the bottom and check or uncheck AVG Secure Browser options. Step 6. Click on Install or Customize. Step 7. If you have clicked on Customize, select the components of protection you want and click on Install. Step 8. If you have clicked on the Install button, wait for the installation to complete. Step 9. Once installed, the AVG window will open. Step 10. Click on Continue. Step 11. Click on Continue with Free or you can upgrade. Step 12. Click on Run First Scan. Step 13. Once the scan is finished, click Done. Step 14. If you have selected Install AVG Secure Browser, open Search and enter AVG. Step 15. Click on AVG Secure Browser. Step 16. In the Make AVG Secure Browser Your Own page, fill in the details. Step 17. Click on Finish Setup. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.